Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, I'm going to teach you today how to create a collection inside Cricut Design Space. So when you are working on different projects, let's say a project could be t-shirt designs, it could be mandalas, it could be mugs, it could be fabric transfers, whatever the case may be. What you can do is create a collection so that when you're working on these types of projects, you can save these projects into their own bucket or into their own folder, aka collection, so that you can easily get back to them based on the type of project it is. So I'm going to show you how to create a collection inside Cricut Design Space. All right, so the first thing you want to do is click on projects here on the left. Once you click on projects, it's going to bring up all the projects that Cricut has. And to locate your specific projects, you're just going to click on My Projects. Okay. My Projects, you could also use the drop down here and select My Projects. Either one will work. So these are all my projects inside Cricut Design Space, ones that I have created and saved. Okay. And over here, you have this new functionality. And you can click on this plus sign, and it's going to say new collection. So if you want to say t-shirt design and create. Now you have here a collection for t-shirt design. So each time you create a collection, it's going to show that collection here. So I could go here and now and say new mug design and create. So now I have t-shirt design, mug design. I could say fan design, just whatever type of projects you normally work on. Okay. Once you create it, it's going to show you how many files or how many projects you have in that collection. So you can see mine has 0 because I haven't moved anything to it. Okay. So now, when you look over here, it shows I have 185 projects, and you have this functionality here, this little button that says organize. When you click on organize, it says select projects to organize into collections. Okay, so let me take a good one here. So I'm going to say this Tatted Beauty. Okay, and I'm going to click on the 3 little dots here. All right, and then once and not actually dots, but just click on the image. And then in the bottom right corner, you're going to click on next. When you do that, it's going to say, where do you want to put that project? And I'm going to say, put it in t-shirt design. And you can put it in more than one, but I'm going to say, put it in t-shirt design and click done. Now, when you look in t-shirt design, there's the project. Okay. So this is a good way for you to get a little bit more organized within Cricut Design Space instead of being like me and having just a bunch of projects out there and you're not sure what's what. Now you can take the time to do that. Also, if you haven't created a collection, okay, let's say you have not created a collection. I'm going to go and I'm going to click on projects again. So let's say that I'm working on a project and I get here and I say my projects, and I click on organize, and I say, oh, I want to put um, this one right here. I want to put this one in not mug design, but fabric transfers. Okay, when I click here on the image that I want to move into a collection, when I click on it, you're going to know it's selected because it has a green border going around it. Then you click on next. You could add your new collection right here. Click on new collection and say fabric transfers. I gotta learn how to spell, y'all. And create. Now it's going to place that one in fabric transfers and create the collection fabric transfers. Okay. So that is how you can go in and create collections inside Cricut Design Space. Now I have one file inside the collection fabric transfers, and I have one file inside t-shirt designs. So this will make it easier for you to get back to a project that you worked on without having to search through all of your projects. So like right now, you can see that my projects are like all over the place, but I've started collections now so that I can go in and I can move these over. So even though you've worked on these projects and you probably didn't add them to a collection, you can always go back, like I just showed you, and add that project to a collection. So again, new greeting cards, create. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. Sorry, you're gonna click organize first. Don't click on the project like I just did. Click on organize, and then we're gonna come down here, and you can select more. You can see you can select more than one project at a time. All of them have the green border around it. I'm going to select those, and then I'm going to click next, and I'm going to put them in greeting cards, and it shows you what was selected. And again, you can put them in more than one collection, and then click done. And now for greeting cards, I have all 4 of those projects that I created. All right. So I wanted to come on, guys, and get into some of the new functionality within Cricut Design Space. Again, I told you guys I work more than one job, and so I fall back a little bit when I'm working crazy hours, but I don't want to forget about you guys. So trying to play catch up on my YouTube channel to get everybody in the know about using Cricut Design Space. All right. So that is how you can use collections inside Cricut Design Space so you can get more organized, get to your projects quicker, and not just have your projects out there just all over the place and you don't know how and what was created when. So now when you're working on those projects, you can go in and immediately put them into a collection. Okay, so that you can easily get back to them, especially if you're someone that is selling, your product. This is a real easy way for you to get organized and to come back to a specific project so that you can work on, something for your client. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you're currently in my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I want to thank you guys so much for your support. If you would like to join my Facebook group, again, the name is Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters. We'd love to have you. It is a private group. It is a small group, but we are powerful and we all help one another. It's all about learning in that group. Okay, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters. Just send a Facebook group request and we'll get you added. If you are currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys so much for the support via YouTube. If you are seeing my tutorials for the first time, you like my method of teaching, I have over 300 video tutorials to teach you all different types of crafts, guys, not just Cricut Design Space, sublimation, sublimation, fabric transfers, using vinyl, file types, how to slice, how to attach, how to weld, all different types of things, guys. Over 300 video tutorials on my YouTube channel. Okay. So if you'd like to join my YouTube channel, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I appreciate all the love. Trust me, I do. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And you know, my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.